Yon! Good afternoon, everyone. And happy New Year. Maligayang bagong taon sa inyo, guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Tagal natin hindi nakita. So, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, ang dami tayo ngayon, no? Shoutout muna tayo. Namiss ko kayo, guys. It's been quite some time, no? Na nakapag-live kami. I think 2 weeks. 2 weeks tayong nawala. So, medyo mahaba-habang bakasyon. But, shoutout muna tayo, guys. Kay, sino ba tong dito? Oh, si Sam Ans TV. Shoutout. So, Sam Ans. Hello, good afternoon. Si Oliver Austria, andito din. Magandang hapon, boss. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, boss. Boss Oliver. And we have Etsy. Si Etsy na. Dapat ipulis na to si Etsy. Dapat isali natin si Lirpa sa GC natin. si Boss Karen. Hello, what's up? What's up? Joshua. Hello, good afternoon, sir. Si Angelito Beck. What's up? What's up? Our very beautiful host sa TR Homecoming Shikaina. Hello, good afternoon, madam. Hope hindi masyadong malamig yung tubig nyo dyan. Dito kasi sobrang lamig. Ang hirap maligo, guys. Andito din si Rochelle. Isa sa mga TL sa Trading Republic. Hello. Si John Harry. Magandang hapon, either you. Happy New Year. Mukhang blooming po ang market. Nako po. Si Ice Project from Itivac. What's up? Cyrex also is here from Itivac. We have Gio Alonzo. Check. What's up, Gio? Hannah, Madam Hannah. Hello. Good afternoon. Gary Tugade is here. Check. TJ is here as well. April Rose. Hello. Good afternoon. We have Christopher Catherine Jose from Baluag, Bulacan. Ayan. Si Elmer, andito din. Check 2023. Blooming New Year, Sir Yuri. Grabe naman si Sir Gio. Mukhang masaya yung opening ng bagong taon, ha. Alfred is here as well. Apple San Jose. Panat San Jose is here. Andrel, check. Nika, Happy New Year. Happy New Year sa inyo, guys. So, andito andito si Focus Fire 3 sabi, Etsy the same. Etsy, the saint, tasan mo si Etsy? Rochelle, check after in months. Ayan, na-miss ka namin, Madam Rochelle, sorry. Leoven is here. Mark Lemuel Badayas, ayan. Happy New Year, check. RM is also here, check. And Jason Yabao, Happy New Year, Boss Yuri. Happy New Year din sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So, kumusta kayo, guys? Kumusta yung bagong taon? It's the hindi pala. Yung first trading is last week, no? Hindi tayo nagkaroon ng live charting session, of course, since bakasyon pa. And we do it every Monday. So this is the first charting session for this year. Ayan. So, alam ko madaming gumagalaw left and right. And let's go ahead and see kung anong condition ng market, ano yung mga tinitignan natin stocks, were we able to trade some runners, and what are the missed trades that we have. So, ayun. Banat na agad, guys. Ba't wala tayong music, Tech? Di ba may music tayo dati? Share screen ko. I'll be sharing my screen now, guys, ha? Okay. So, ayan. Yun! Very good. So, let's take a look at the market. We're gonna try to quickly see what's going on with the market. It's so good pala, guys, no? I see a lot of names na medyo naglaylo sa market, but I'm now seeing them here. And I'm so happy that you're back. Or di ko alam if tina-timing lang nila na maging maganda, mag-reverse yung stock market, no? Bago mo manat ulit, which is a good strategy. Or sadyang na-miss niyo lang kami. Okay. So kung ganun man, we miss you too, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at what is going on with the Philippine market. Sa analysis natin on a macro perspective, guys, no? So, medyo zoom out natin. Punta tayo sa weekly. Okay. So, remember, ito yung COVID days. Delete muna natin to. Okay. So, remember, this was the COVID days. Tapos, nagkaroon tayo ng rally na napaganda. Do you remember the rally here? ASEN. Dito, we have Converge. Sino pa ba yung... Basta madami yung rally dito. And then, the market corrected. And then ended this part, another rally. Tapos humina yung market dito. We have a sell-off market over here. Breakdown, nagtuloy-tuloy pababa, bagsak. Then nagkaroon na recover nung July to August. So may onting tradable dito ng mga stocks. And then afterwards, nagkaroon tayo ng sell-off, very huge sell-off at this part, September, October. So nagkaroon tayo ng new low. So binasag niya to, which is a classic one sa market natin. Binasag niya to and nagkaroon ng low. So right now, as what I've mentioned before, no, what you need to take a look at would be liquidity areas wherein kung saan yung major support, the usual is binabasag yan ng market and nagkakaroon tayo ng traps. So this is what we call traps. So I believe, I believe based from what I'm seeing with the market condition, this is actually I think this is already the low of the Philippine market, 5.7 something. So yan na yung low na tinitingnan ko ngayon. So I believe hindi na magkakaroon ng bagong low yung Philippine market. I think Fed is nagbaba na sila ng interest rates. I see volume coming in from foreign funds in the Philippine market. I see lots of name breaking outs already. So I think based from our prediction, or not prediction, but based from our analysis last December and November, December, that will really have a good at least at least first few months ng recovery ng Philippine market this year. So I was actually expecting na we'll have movers on February pa, pero as you can see, end of December meron na, and then right now first few weeks of January nagkaroon din tayo ng mga runners. So I'm so thankful na nagkaroon na naman ng opportunity to trade, right? So looking at it, let's go ahead and zoom out. Take a look at the monthly chart. So may gusto lang akong ipakita sa inyo, guys. So looking at it, the last closing price ng last year, ito yung closing price last year, right? Na medyo i-zoom natin. Ito na yung babantay natin, 6,565, which is the closing price last year. Ayan. Monthly. Ayan. Ito yung 12 months yearly. So, looking at it, yan yung dapat protektahan ng market natin ngayon. No? Since looking at it, the market opened above it, then basically, nag-below siya open but binawi niya, right? So that means that as long as this area holds at 6,056, we'll really have at least a good run this year. Hopefully, cross fingers. Okay? So hopefully we'll have that run. So last 2020 was the bottoming out. It was the COVID, and then ito may run, bumabagsak yung market last time, and then 2022 karon ng bottoming part, and then right now hopefully hindi na mabit niyang low na yan. So zoom out, ito yung levels na tinitingnan natin. So kailangan, guys, kailangan at 6,560 something, at least dyan lang mag-consolidate yung market natin. Or at least pwede siyang basagin niya yan, pero dapat at least mag-hold siya above it this year. But like I mentioned last time, we want to make sure that the market does not go below 382, which is super ganda, solid yung movement niya. Dito lang siya banda nagkaroon ng support levels and nagkaroon ng rally afterwards. So if hindi niya ma-break out tong level na to as a resistance, we wanna see that dapat at least dito lang siya banda. No, mag-consolidate yung market natin. Pero I'm quite bullish, so baka potentially break out siya in the next few weeks and dito na banda sa taas magkakaroon ng consolidation, which is doon naman talaga yung major resistances na papasukan ng market natin. So like I mentioned last December, I'm quite positive sa magiging takbo ng market natin. And I'm gonna looking at it. If you're gonna check the XY is actually just being murdered, no? So sa mga nagtatrade ng forex diyan, alam sa mga pairs na, especially pairs that are may correlation dito, no? Na I was hoping based sa drawing ko, teka lang. Ayan. Ito yung drawing ko before. Now I'm looking at this level na baka i-feel niya tong liquidity void na magkakaroon pa tayo ng isang run up tapos i-feel niya to before going down, which is ito na yung lower high, right? But fortunately, looking at it guys, nagkakaroon tayo ng weak move. So hindi niya na, parang wala na ata balak i-feel tong levels na to. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng series of downs, and then right now it's actually, at the moment we are speaking, it's actually breaking down, no? So that is actually a good thing for us. So on the hourly chart, it's already breaking down. So long yung mga other people here whose pairs they're looking for na correlated dito kay DXY. Pabagsak siya, it's currently breaking down, and that's actually a good news with it comes to stocks. Last November 8, doon na medyo nagkaroon tayo ng magandang senyales. After I run up from June 2021, sobrang lakas ng dollar. Remember? Right? Sobrang lakas. Ano bang peak dollar? Parang 70. Umabot ba 70 yung dollars, guys? The summer like that. So, first time na nagkaroon tayo ng breakdown ng 100 MA and then tuloy-tuloy yung pagbagsak. So, hopefully, ito babagsak siya dito before siya magkakaroon ng rebound anywhere there, which is like lower high na. So I'm quite positive with the Philippine market. And with that, check natin yung mga stocks na nabantayan natin, and may na-miss din tayo ng mga stocks. So let's take a look at kung ano mga itsura ng mga stocks na to. Okay? So I think we're gonna go first with the very strong Now. Okay? Si Now yung pinakamalakas, right? So Now did a beautiful run up coming from the lows here. Check natin. Yan. So when we were still analyzing this last December, early December, this was a call of sell on resistance, right? So if you were able to buy here, I think the good move would be to be selling somewhere here at the resistance level. Then after nagkaroon ng retracement, nag-hold siya, this could have been a good entry, which is personally I did not trade anymore. So end part ng December, hindi na ako nagte-trade noon. So went to a vacation. Personally, in hindsight, this could have been a good entry over here at the not the breakout but the retest. Ito sigurong December 21 would be for me a good entry. December 14, medyo unsure pa ako basing from the structure kung ganyan. Medyo unsure pa siya sa akin, which is retest naman siya sa previous box, no? Okay, gets ko naman yung trade idea. Pero I think dito would be a good one, and then I think here would be a good confirmation December 21. After a breakout from this level, nagkaroon tayo ng retest. That's a good swing entry, I think. For me, personally missed out already on that move. And then afterwards, nagkaroon tayo ng run up na at least 50% as of the moment. So, congratulations. I was thinking, ano bang meron sa Now, no? Bakit nagkakaroon ng ganito move and a sudden volume, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng pasok na volume dito, guys. If you're gonna take a look at here, if you're gonna zoom out, no, sobrang daming volume pumapasok kay now. So, what's good with this is that pwede mo makita yung mga news, right? So, December 16, meron pa lang siyang disclosure na now says U.S. Trade and Development Agency partnership to launch 5G network in the Philippines. December 22, before that, eto, may engagement say now with US TDA for development of 5G, and then na-confirm siya noong December 16. Noong November 22, November 22, ganito itsura niya, November 22. Ayan. So, ayan. Dito nagkaroon ng news about it. Pero, magtataka ka guys, no? Magtataka ka talaga, bakit kaya may move na sa December 21? Lumabas yung news 22. Or ito ba yung, baka US time to, no? Medyo late. But ito, nagkaroon ng movement, pumasok yung volume, and I think na-confirm siya noong December 16. Right? So, ito na yung structure na ginawa niya. So, for me, I think, basing from that news and basing from the price action, again, it's not only on the news. It should be confirmed by the price na nagkaroon tayo ng breakout. So, this could have been a good opportunity to trade this one over here. And looking at it, medyo extended na now, to be quite honest. RSI is already reaching, 86, 86, 87, I think. So we're just waiting for a parabolic move if mag-RSI 90 na siya for us to sell. And I'm seeing big resistances on the left side already. So looking at it, we have some major resistances on the left side. If we're going to take a look at closely, we have one over here. All you need to do is zoom out para makita niyo yung resistance range. Yeah, these are basically resistances that you would be seeing. Okay, and then one major resistances, which is if kaya niya pang would be around 3 pesos, which is a whole number 2. 3 pesos is, I think that's a good area for you. Anywhere right now to 3 pesos is, I think it's a good area for profit taking already. It's still around 15%. So, or if it goes parabolic, which is better, no, baka magkaroon tayo ng massive buying here. So, personally, if I have this trade, I'll just trail it. Depende kung asan yung AP ko. So, say for example, if my AP is here, somewhere here, I'll just basically use EMA 10 for my trail stop, right? Or I can chop some profits here, or maybe chop profits here hanggang hindi nababasag yung EMA 10. I won't be selling. So that's one of the things I can trade here and sell at strength. Pwedeng 20%, 10%, 15% along the way. So you can definitely do that because we don't know where the top is. Again, we're not in the business of catching tops, no? So we just follow our process, which is trailing our profits. But if I'm doing a momentum trade here, I basically will just use, especially like me, who is late already on this trade, I'll just basically use a candle stop. So every low ng candle na to would be my stop. So for example, dito ako nakabili, my stop would be here. If ito new low, okay, so we have a run up. Ito, this would be a good stop. This would be a good stop. Good stop. Good stop. So up until mag-run siya, puro candle low, candle low. Pag nag-break niya yung low na yan, that's a sell for me. Again, that's for people who are already late at this trade. RSI is already reaching 90, so I don't see any divergences yet. So wala pang masyadong malakas na profit taking. People, I think, still are holding onto this. But again, like I've mentioned, we're already approaching big resistances on the left side. So be cautious lang if hahabol ka pa sa trade na to. Always remember risk-reward ratio. Is it still juicy? Is the reward still good compared to the risks? So those are the questions that you need to ask yourself before taking this trade. Okay ba yon, guys? Okay ba yon? So, paki-comment naman dyan. Now na Now na. So, sa mga may now dyan. So, congratulations. Congratulations, guys. If you were able to take this trade. I have it this personally, but medyo late na ako. So, LIFO tayo dyan. Ano nga ulit yung LIFO? L stands for late. I stands for entry. F is first out. Okay. Late entry, first out. Ano nga yun I, guys? Tek, anong ala? Okay, mali pala ako, guys. Last in pala. Last in, first out. Okay, may bad. Akala ko, late entry. Okay, mali pala, guys. Last in, first out wala. Okay, so yun yung mga sa momentum. Okay? So mga medyo malate lang. Siguro banda dito ka na naka-trade. Or maybe here ka na naka-trade. So you're not able to get bases here or maybe here. Okay? So pwede din. Pwede din naman. Late entry, first out. Okay. Alright, so next, one of the strongest stocks, yung pinaka-second, actually sa screener guys, na tinitignan ko, wait lang, tignan ko nga sa screener, mahiwagang screener namin. Ito sa TR, Trading Republic, hindi mo na kailangan masyadong maghanap ng ano eh. Ayan, okay, so top 2, now, and then next is, okay, paano ba ito i-screenshot? Pwede ba natin i-screenshot to? Wait lang. I-sneaking tool. This was last January 9. So, 6. Friday. So, based from the screener ng TR. Wait lang. Ako mga team tabad, doon lang ako tumitingin eh. Actually, may sariling screener ako, pero yun nga. We have screener 2 in the TR inside Trading Republic. So screenshot ko lang guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo no. Oh, tech paano? Yan. All right. So currently top 2 scans last January 6, no, Friday. This was Friday. We have Bloom and Now. So si Now, yung pinaka-leading talaga, the next one is Bloom. Si Bloom, medyo matagal na nating watchlist to if you've been following me here. So hopefully naka-trade kayo, no? Nito, at least kung wala kayong Now, may Bloom kayo like me. No? And then the rest was like DMC, APX, PXP, AG, and you know, medyo mabigat na names. And then we have ones here, 2, FCG and UBP. We'll be checking that guys later. But those are the top stocks that we have inside Trading Republic, which is pwede nating i-check. Ayan. Okay. So, punta natin si Bloom. Alright. So, ito si Bloom. Now, looking at it, no, na-analyze na natin before to. Ang ganda nga, swabe nga to guys eh. If you're gonna zoom out, di ba nagkaroon siya ng range? And then we have multiple touches already here. 1, 2, and then we have 3 over here. And then 4 pa dito. So actually dito na ako medyo kinilig eh, this part. Because I was buying Bloom at 6 levels. Dito pa lang, I know, was it? No. Dito pala, 7 something. Dito pala, banda. Kasi nagkaroon ng breakout from this level. Kita nyo tong line na to. Zoom natin onte. Ayan. So, itong resistance level na to, nagkaroon ng breakout from there and then a retest from this area. So, that's basically 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So, nung nag-retest siya, nagkaroon ng ganyan na move. Boom! Ayun na. Medyo kinilig-kilig na ako. Medyo madami-dami na yung binabay natin dyan, shares. And then what gave me the conviction na medyo mag-breakout na siya is this one, the drying up volume at this level. So, nung naganon siya, tapos ito, kita niyo itong mga kandila na to guys. These are very tight candles with very low volume. So this is a classic VCP pattern. Off natin yung MAs. So looking at it, tingnan niyo yung VCP pattern na ginawa niya, guys. Oh. Very tightening. Ayan. So dito yung pinaka-tight. Diba? Coming from here. So this is very classic, and then ito yung resistance range niya. So buying at this level would be very good because your cut would be here or maybe here below. So risk to reward ratio, it's very good already na entry or na setup, no? And then MAs are already below prices, and then volume starting to come in. So we have a pocket pivot setup here. I thought na-teach ko yan inside Trading Republic. So this is a pocket pivot breakout. So this could, if you're a momentum trader, this could be a good entry for you guys. And then RSI 70 breakout. So the last RSI 70 was last August 22. So goods tayo dyan. And ayun, we have a good run and we're up already. I think around, nag-add ako kasi, so medyo tumaas yung AP ko. Mga 20% na din. So 20%, that's not bad already. Okay, that's not bad. So for people who are doing momentum trade, I think looking at it, it's currently at resistance range. Ito yung tinitingnan ng iba. But ako, personally, I don't look at that range sa 9. I think that's hindi masyadong malakas yung resistance at this level. Tinitignan ko siya. Look at the volume. Wala naman siya masyadong, volume to be considered here at this level. What I'm looking at is actually at around just 940. Ayan, 940 range, 950. That is where I'm looking at. Okay? Diyan yung medyo, for me, again, those are liquidity, okay? Kasi resistance to. So for people who are looking at ito yung resistance niya ba? Okay, magbebenta na ako dyan. Ganyan, kasi resistance na yan. But then again, what I've been teaching you guys, liquidity comes above or below support and resistance. So ito, liquidity to, kung pasok dito, would be a good selling area before it's gonna go down. So ganun yung at least for me, 940 would be my first target price. If it's very, very strong, you can chop some gains already or sell some portion of your stocks. Pero sobrang lakas, baka I think pwede pa niyang abutin yung 10. This is kind of strong, very solid number, 10. But if you're looking for a trend follow, because this is a 52-week high, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, right? So this is a 52-week high. You can do trail stop. So always remember, if you're gonna do trail stop, tingin sa baba, hindi sa taas. Okay, just a reminder for people who are going to do trail stop for this, especially for people who are banking for a much bigger move. Okay, much bigger move, because this is the monthly chart. Baka kita nila na if it breaks at 11, kaya pang 11. Pag na-break yung 940, 10 next. Pag na-break yun, 1140 naman next, and then grabe, mataas na yung upside next. So if you're banking with that, then you're gonna do trail stop for this stock. Always look at the MAs below your trail stop, not the current gain, kasi wala ka namang balak magbenta doon. So if you were able to get it at 750, you're already up at maybe around 20%. Yung EMA 10 mo andito pa, so dapat matuwa ka at 7%. Yun lang yung dapat i-book mo as of the moment. So kung magre-retrace yan, hindi ka masasad, di ba? Kasi hindi pa naman trail stop mo. So tataas yan, basically just adjust your stop. Ganyan. Up until umabot siya sa mga levels wherein you can see if may profit taking ba mangyayari or wala. So that's basically it for Bloom. Always do remember though, guys, that this is, I guess, a second liner. Medyo mabigat siya, so may volume talaga to. Looking at it volatility wise, kaya niya naman umabot at least 50% coming from this low. Volatility wise lang. So, kaya niya naman. Ito, is good 40%. So, kaya niya at least percentage-wise, kaya ni Bloom magkaroon ng ganun na move na. Ayan, 25%. Kayang-kaya niya. So, hopefully, good recovery si Bloom after the breakout. So, ayun. Yun lang naman, guys. No? So, shout out sa mga blooming yung bagong taon. Congratulations for people who were able to trade this stock. Next would be tapos na tayo sa Bloom, tapos na tayo sa Now. I guess next on the list would be ano nga ulit yung was it? Ayan, APX pala. Yan, APX. Next would be APX. So si APX naman, coming from this range, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout. And then we have a classic retest. Itong drawing natin, hindi sinunod, no? Medyo sablay. Ito yung hindi pa to na move eh. Breakout pa lang eh. So tinitingnan natin if may retest nangyari, which is, it did happen. Not just the same as the drawing natin. Pero looking at it, this is the retests. And then this is the CTP last December 28. So this could have been a potential good buy for swing traders. And then we have a breakout over here. So currently, this is the second base. First pa pala. So ito yung current second base na binubuo ni APX after the move, another move. So hoping for another move upward and another base for profit taking. And looking at it, may resistances pa naman tayo dito na inaabangan. Pero a lot of people I know that has this is actually banking for a much bigger move. Pero ako naman, hindi. Parang, for me, yes, I believe may resistance range pa dyan. But personally, again, I don't know what's gonna happen. Personally, my trade idea for this, because I have this, so I'll just sell it at resistances. Mining, I'm not into mining stocks that much. So I guess I'll just, because I think gold to. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Unless sobrang lakas niya talaga, I'll just adjust accordingly. But my initial thinking about this would just be selling at maybe 223, 230. That's what I'm just hoping. I'm not gonna try and follow this personally. But for people who are looking for a bigger move, like conviction nila is, this is boss. This is boss breakout here, and then we have over here. And if it break out at 230, then maybe you can just try and follow this. Maybe, no, but we'll see. We'll see. So APX would be a good stock, definitely structure wise. May alam ko, may nakabili sa breakout sa 190. Meron din CTP over here. Right, at swings, ako personally, I was able to get it at 199, 1.99. So dito na ako sa retest kumuha last week after a retest at this resistance. So I'm just looking and see if it's gonna break from here. Maybe I'll adjust my plan, or if I see weakness, I'll be selling here. But that's my initial target price. So from 199, that's a good 16%. But if it's gonna break out again, that's gonna be a different story. If there's a volume coming in, that would be different. So that's my take only for APX. So let's take a look at other stocks. TEL. So si TEL, after a big downward move, this was I think the last active trade I did. Nag-bounce trade ako kay TEL. I bought somewhere here. Was it 3 minutes nga natin? Alright, so was able to get TEL at this level over here. Dito. And then rallied, and profit taking was somewhere here. So, unti lang yung nakuha ko dito if I'm not mistaken. Hindi nga umabot ng 8% yun eh. But yeah, I was not able to get the whole move. That was the last trade I did. Afterwards, nagkaroon ng retests, pullback, and then run up. And then right now, I still don't recommend buying Tel. I mean, looking at it, this is a dead stock. Sorry, Tel. Uh, we have a retest, I think, here, this level. This is a potential lower high again. This is a very classic downtrend move looking at it. No? So I don't see Tel recovering for quite some time. So I think pahinga muna siya, retracement or whatnot. But this is, this is a quite worrisome volume. Tingnan mo yung volume, guys, oh. Look at the volume, sell-off volume dito banda. And then look at the volume for the buying. Ang liit, di ba? Ang liit. So what does it tell you? Heavy sell-off, just acute buying. That means that hindi masyadong malakas. But potentially, it might go down the next few days. Right, so that's my take for that stock. So next would be, I think we're gonna go with PXP. PXP, looking at it, very cute VCP pattern. We have a breakout and then retest. So same thing, oil stocks. I believe that this is not a good trend follow. This is a good swing and momentum stock only. Volume is not that much. MAs currently at 20 MA. Ito yung drawing natin before. So it's a retest and then currently at move. For me, this is a good sell already if you're able to get some here. Sell here would be a very good move already. If you're gonna try to see if there's a stronger move, do not buy at breakout. Buy during retracement, sell after breakout. Ganun yung discard ko for this type of stock. Okay? For PXP. I don't long-term trend would still be in a downtrend. So, hindi masyadong maasa. Next would be SSI. SSI. So, a very good stock that broke out earlier after having a retest, retest and forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Nagkaroon tayo ng breakout. So very good head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulder pattern with 1, 2, 3 touch and then a tight consolidation on the right shoulder, and then we have a breakout. So currently, it's approaching its resistance range, but for people who were able to get it, they're planning to try and follow this or just sell it to resistance. This is not on my watch list, but currently, ito yung mga major resistance range. So if it breaks out, baka dito would be a good area for you to profit take. I don't know. So what I'm seeing though is this stock broke out right now and might move in the next few days. But then again, structure-wise, hindi ko siya masyadong trip, pero pwede na. Especially if you were able to get a breakout. Ano ba? Si isang tech namin, alam ko meron ito eh. So not sure how they will be able to handle this stock, especially if medyo slow siya, right? So for this type of stock, I'll just do swing or momentum. Sell it maybe around 12 to 15% if mabigyan ka ng ganung move. I think that's already good. All right, so that would be my take for SSI. Actually, may lumabas din na screener ko. Sa screener ko, PHR. Because of volume here at this level. And then we have a breakout just earlier. But looking at it, ito yung long-term trend niya. Pababa pa siya. Weekly chart, it's like this one. Ayan. Para makita niyo yung view. Long-term view niya. The reason why lumabas siya sa screener is just because of volume, I believe. So, we have volume over here. And then right now, magkaroon ng another volume over here, which is nag-alert siya. It's still on big sideways, but currently we have a move over here. So, baka gumanon. Magkaroon tayo ng trend, right? But I'm still watching this carefully. Again, this is still in a big sideways move. Ganito yung range na nilalaroan niya. Yan, ganyan. So just be very careful though if you'll be trading this. Hindi pa siya uptrend. Again, hindi pa siya uptrend, guys. So that's a caution. Lumabas lang siya because of volume. And then we have a current small breakout over here. So, ayun. What else? We have this PX good. PX, yeah, actually it followed the drawing after the head and shoulders breakout retest over here, consolidated, and then right now trying to move on. I'm not fan sa mining stocks right now. There's another stock that I'm looking at, nickel. Nickel would be much better, I believe. Which is nagkaroon ng, ba't wala si nickel dito? Tignan natin to. Ayan, nagkaroon ng breakout. This is a good move coming from the range over here, si nickel. So run up, consolidated, and then another run up. So yeah, I guess mining stocks is on the move right now. So pick your pick your poison, guys, kung anong stocks yung ang gusto nyo i-trade. So we have a cute consolidation over here. And then, a good profit taking would be somewhere over here at maybe around 7 above, 7 to 7.25. I think that would be a good profit taking already for this type of stock. Nickel. All right. So those are the mining stocks that I'm looking at. Nickel and the oil stocks too, PXP, and gold is APX. Let's go ahead and take a look at some. So medyo madaming-daming tayo. Here's the problem, guys. When the market is reversing, ang daming nating tinitignan. We always forget about sino ba yung leaders. Diba? Because people are thinking na, okay, baka itong stock na to, magbibigay pa to ng additional, move. My mindset will always be like this. For the last 6 years that I'm trading in the Philippine market, yung maunang nagmo-move, the usual sila yung malakas. Sila yung leaders. So parang in my mindset would be, why would I go to the tertiary or secondary, tertiary and secondary stocks? Is it because naiwan ako? If naiwan ako, then I'll look for potential entries, consolidation on that stock. Kasi siya yung unang move with volume, then most likely siya yung malakas. That was always been my mindset. So when I was looking at Now and Bloom and Apex, so sila yung may volume, sila yung medyo malakas. Then I'm concentrating my bets on them. For this, medyo secondary lang. If may position ka pang gustong i-take, then I'll be trading it in small allocations. But for other stocks like Bloom Now, dun yung medyo concentrated yung mga bets natin. Let's go with very interesting stocks, sabi ni Boss Karen Seb. Okay. This is Seb. Looking at it, may drawing tayo. Nag-breakout pala si Seb ngayon. Looking at it, ang classic na ginawa niya na finalo niya yung drawing natin last time. Ewan ko kailan ko i-drawing to, pero looking at it, na-breakout siya and then retest over here. Nagkaroon ng retest, tapos bumaba, and then right now, it's on breakout. So, very interesting stock with a high volume. Ano ba meron dito? Makikichika nga tayo dito. Airbot scrambles to restore normalcy after power cut. Simple lands cooking and chairman. Okay, hindi ko na maintindihan yung mga ganyan, guys. But volume is coming in. Very huge volume coming in after the breakout. I recommend never try and follow this. Okay? Gusto mo i-take yung trade ng range lang niya. So, go for the momentum move. If it's currently on breakout right now here and in here. So, take profits. Just do target price. Whether kung tinitingnan mo ito or maybe here, do target price. Do not, as much as possible, do not try and follow this. This is not trending. Again, take note, this is not trending. You should be profit taking. You should do target price for this. Okay, so that's what I'm doing for stocks like this. Seb, AP. Do you remember AP? Do you remember this? So if you got it here, sa VCP, sell it at target price. Ito, target price. Huwag ka nang magpakamatay dito, guys. For how many months? 'Di ba? Huwag mo nang gawin 'yon. If you're gonna do JFC, if hindi ka naman long term, no? If you're a trader. So say for example, to JFC, breakout from this level, hindi man lang siya brinik yung pinaka-high niya, you can start taking profits. Do not trend follow. Again, never trend follow blue chips. Especially if it's on downtrend or sideways. All right. Any other interesting stocks that I've missed? Converge. Sabi ni April Rose. So very interesting si Converge, no? Kasi after doing a reversal from here, nag-bottom siya and then nagkaroon ng V. Nag-V reversal siya and another one over here. So looking at it, at 782, nagkaroon siya ng base and afterwards, hindi man lang siya nag-consolidate and make diretso-diretso lang siya. Right? Ganun yung move na ginawa ni Converge. So for people who has this, I guess, congratulations if you're able to buy the breakout. Again, since this is still a downtrend stock, it's not a trending stock yet, I'll still be doing a target price for this. Things that you might consider, we have a big parallel darvas at the left side over here at 19 area to 20. So if ganon, I think overextended siya. You can take profits already at 19. Benta, ito lang ginagawa ko, guys. For people who are trying to, especially if the stock is sideways or downtrend, benta to, if you have 100%, 100K. So first resistance at 19, benta 25%, 25K, benta, profit take. Tumuloy pa. So nag-overshoot. 'Di ba? Untog sa next resistance, benta another 25K. So half na lang natira. So for the half, okay, so kung feel mo sobrang lakas pa talaga, relax. Sige, trail stop mo if you want it. But try to book some profits. It will not hurt you. It's gonna make your psyche medyo comfortable na, okay, I was able to take profits na here onte, so okay lang yan if mag-retreat siya at mas mabilis mag-execute if you're already taking profits. Home, very interesting because hindi ko siya na-trade, but I know some was able to do a very good bottom picking. The reason why, kahit downtrend siya, guys, no, ayan, 50-60% siya. So the reason why parang okay lang sa akin, because I don't do like bottom picking. I do bounces but not bottom picking, no. So for me, hindi siya sayang sa akin. But congratulations on the people who were able to trade it. We have a divergence here, right? Classic divergence. Nagkaroon tayo ng box and then we have a breakout. In hindsight, this could have been a good entry. Over here, a breakout of EMA 10 and the next would be a breakout of 20 MA and then trail it. No. Yun yung, so basically, it's either here, the setup is here and here only. So I don't do bottom pick here. So wala akong edge dyan. Here, too. And then since this is home, bakit may ano bang meron dito, guys? Proves cash. May dividends pala. Kaya pala. Okay, dividends. Alam niyo na paano i-trade to, guys. Payable on December 29. Uy, tapos na. Tapos na ba? So, dividends, if I'm not mistaken, November 29. December 29. O, tapos na pala nag-pay. Tama ba? 29. O dito. And then nagkaroon pa na siya ng run up. So always remember when you're trading stocks like this, okay, isipin nyo tong mga movement na to. Downtrend and then nagkaroon ng run up. Downtrend and nagkaroon ng run up. After nun, bagsak. So Again, do not trend follow stocks that are downtrend. Take profits because it's gonna, the trend is your friend. The trend here is downtrend, so take profits pag nagkakaroon tayo ng run-ups. So congratulations sa mga naka-bottom pick ni Home. Hopefully you're able to sell it good, no? Maganda yung pagkabenta nyo kay Home. Congratulations again sa mga nakabenta ay nakabili nito. All right. Sino pa ba? Ano pa ba yung mga tinitingnan natin as of the moment? So tingnan natin dito sa ano. Sabi ni Nohay, keeper daw. Okay. So keeper, this is interesting stock. Keeper. Okay, keeper. Approve regular cash dividends. May dividends si keeper, oh. Keeper, medyo toxican ako sa dividends. Structure-wise, interesting. Volume is also there. So I might be putting this one on my watch lists. Very interesting stock. That would be the level that I'm looking at. RSI touches is there. You have volume accumulation is there. Breakout. Tapos pag maganda yung consolidation next, baka pwede to. That's a good stock. This is a C for me. But very interesting if it break out from that level. So yun lang take us of the moment. Mac sideways. Structure-wise, I don't like it. Pass ako for me. For now, pass. Maybe you're looking at this breakout level, or maybe here, or maybe here. But I'm looking at that, resistances here. So, medyo toxican ako ng ganitong structure. I'll say pass on it. So Home dito, I'm interesting. Si dito, ano nangyari kay dito? Alright, dito naman, do we have HVI or highest volume ever or highest volume in 1 year so far? Meron bang nakita kayong ganon sa mga taga-TR na nanonood? May highest volume ever ba na lumabas sa screener nyo? Sa trading view nyo or sa invest or whatever you're using? I'm not sure if I saw one, pero HV1 lang ata yung nakita ko. Got net loss. So for dito naman, again, looking at it, same thing, Zoom out, guys. Try to zoom out. What's the longer time trend? ZS run up, ZS run up. Compared to stocks like, if you're gonna compare this move, diba, pabagsak. If you're gonna compare it to, let's say, SSI. If you're gonna compare it, there's a big difference. So, ang tinitingnan mo kay dito, maybe somewhere, gano'n yung longer term. Sa SSI, pataas. So, I understand there's a movement kay dito, but I guess, this approaching resistance level again here. So I definitely say I'd pass on it. Tech, same thing. Downtrend, nag-double bottom siya here. I don't see any volume accumulation. May onte siguro, I think. This could be a position trade play. Not for swings or momentum yet. I don't see any momentum, no RSI 70 as of the moment. So pass for me, but I see the potential. Again, looking at it, I think you're banking sa double bottom niya here, which is understandable. We have volume accumulation. But no setup at least for me, wala pa akong setup na makita. Baka ito yung tinitignan nyo na setup. So, yeah, I guess good to see if may move siya in the next few. Ayun, hindi ako mapo-FOMO dito siguro. Let's see if may magkakaroon tayo ng additional structure. It's not that clear to me yet. APL, may HV1 pala si APL. So yeah, tingnan nga natin APL. Ooh. Oh, okay. Pero 1 year naman kasi walang volume siya, no? Okay, APL. Nagkaroon ng dalawa. 1. And the next one is 2. So ito, very interesting. Volume coming in kay APL. Meron na bang barko si APL? Andiyan na bang barko ni APL, guys? Or wala pa rin? Grabe, kwento ko lang, guys, no? May alam ako, may kilala ko personally. Or hindi naman personally, but personally, kilala ko. They still have shares from here. Around 2 point something. They're just holding it. This is 2021, no? Yan, mga negative 80%. And then, hindi lang thousands, million yung hawak. Diba? It's just sad to see people na medyo hindi pa rin nadala. They've been investing or trading, whatever, for years already, and then keep doing the same thing over and over again. Same mistake. So I hope you guys would avoid making that fatal mistake. APL, I think, pero delikado lang siya, no? Per flock niya. Just be very, very careful. Bago na manage yun eh. APL. That's so funny. MWC. Wow, MWC. I did not expect na kakaroon pa siya ng runner. Yeah, definitely MWC is a bit nice. HV1, diba? Highest volume in 1 year here. Si MWC, I see buying volume coming up. So 50 MA, maganda sana to na play kasi blue chip siya or second liner. This could have been a good play near 50 MA, and then just waiting for a breakout of 20. Definitely I see the stock a good buy or a good watch list. So right now it's forming a good pattern. So kung mag-consolidate yan dyan, baka breakout tayo soon for MWC. Any other interesting stocks that sige nga, i-run up natin to. It's 4, but this new year, damihan natin to. I'll say pass on it. MRC. Is this the MRC that we have? Yeah, I'd say pass on it. Joey B. Latagan from Dubai. Hello, sir. By the way, guys, sa mga people who don't have any account yet with us, you might be considering 2trade Asia as your broker. So click on the link provided below. And also, wait lang. Oh, tama pala. Wala pang free classes, if I'm not mistaken, but you can still open account for 10,000. That's promotion, New Year promotion. So click on the link to open an account with us. And congratulations for all the people who registered to our technical intensive program. The classes, I think, will start tonight. So January 9 tonight. So congratulations sa mga pips who registered. See you later at your first class. 8 p.m. I believe 8 p.m. Yeah. All right. So, tech, may gusto ka bang tignan? Or wala na? I think majority of the FCG, sabi ni Marvy. Okay. So, tingnan natin to, guys. Sabi ni Marvin, FCG. FCG, looking at it, volume, meron. Setup, meron. MAs are below prices. Siguro a bit consolidation, tightening consolidation before it it's gonna break out. Dito would be good siguro. And then break out. Yeah, maybe that would be an interesting move for FCG. Looking at it, kumapal yung volume niya at this level. Right? So, um, inside TIP, not the technical intensive, but inside uh, um, the immersion program, I'm teaching base counting and stage analysis ni ano bang pangalan nun? Stage analysis. Kay Stain White. Ano ba yun? Anong name niya? Wayne Stain. Ayan. So I've attended this seminar, very costly, ni Stan, and I'm incorporating stage analysis and base counting ni Mark Maravini. So currently, what I'm seeing is andun pa siya sa stage 2A. Okay? You might argue andun pa siya sa 1B, pwede, because it's not breaking out yet. But basing from the characteristic at 789, dito and consolidated now at 50 levels and above 382. So if it consolidates here, maybe that would be already a stage 2A. So in a breakout would be nice. Siguro volume lang would be good if we see one. But so far, yun lang naman yung nakikita ko kay FCG. Alright. Ayaw ko na mag-tech. So, okay. So, last one daw. Sabi ni Nohay, BPI daw. Oh, wow. Galing naman. So, BPI, same thing. You know, don't get trapped here. Looking at it, we have a breakout from this trend line and then a retest 98. This is a good opportunity for you to accumulate if you're a position trader. And swing trader here, very classic. This one would be good. And then we have a run up. So, like I've mentioned, every now and then I tell you, do not ano ba to? Multi-year? Oh. Okay. So, okay. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng movement here. And then, upside mo is still goods at 120. So, 115 would be already good for a blue chip to 120. Upside for BPI. Okay, congratulations if you're able to buy this. This is a good stock, If, Boss Nohay. Congrats if you were able to trade this. PLC daw. Ang dami na nating tinignan, guys, no? Huwag kang malito, guys. Again, if you are new, remember, what setups are you only taking? Sobrang daming gumala, which is very natural on a reversing market. Focus on this. Aling setup ka may edge? Bottom picking, divergences, boss breakouts, trend follow. Anong setup? Ask that and puruhan mo yon. You don't need to trade everything that moves. You don't need to be FOMO. Yung stock ko hindi gumalaw. But focus on this one, your process. Ano ba yung criteria ng mga setups na hinahanap mo? Right? For watch listing. And if you see it, trade it. Of course, with risk management. But there's that, you don't need to trade everything, every setup that moves. Focus on your edge, basically. So ako, personally, I only have 2 names that I'm looking at. Again, I'm only looking at Bloom, I'm looking at Now, and maybe APX. There's just that. After that, yung iba, it would be secondary already for me. If it gives you maybe 30%, 50%, that's good. Congratulations. Say, for example, itong home gave you around 50%. I just say congratulations. If this is your setup and you were able to trade it, congrats. That's not my setup. I'm not going to worry about it. I don't feel any FOMO at all. Because I'm not bottom picking. So, okay lang sa akin. Goods. So, that's the mindset that you should be bringing this year. And then again, no all in, guys. I know the market is maybe good. You might want to be aggressive, but always remember, this is a new year, this new month, this is a new day. Protect your profits. I know, protect your capital first, and then profits next. Okay. PLC last stock, I guess we have a good breakout coming from this level over here. PLC, I'll still say the same thing for stocks, oil stocks. This is a good sector. Kung if titingnan niyo yung teka lang, mini ba yung sector ng ano? Mini and oil. So if you're gonna take a look at mining and oil sector, sila yung malakas. Sila yung run up na malakas. And that's the reason on PLC, BXP, nickel, hindi siya, what do you call this, hindi siya shocking, no, na you'll have moves like this. So, pick your poison, see if the risk-reward ratio is good, and then trade it. Okay? PLC, for me, is still under mining, if I'm not mistaken, or oil. But yeah, we are seeing a breakout. We're seeing retests. If you want to try and follow it, go for it. Make sure risk-reward ratio is good. But I guess that's just it. It's already 4:10. So again, reminder, people, this is a new year, this new start. Don't F it up. Okay? Protect your capital first and then your profits. And then if you see the market is very good, go for it. Go for the juggler. Sabi nga ni Lodi Trader. I forgot his name, but there you go. Thank you very much for giving us your time. I hope na-refresh, and I'm so happy that people are coming back again, trading and looking at stocks. Hopefully, we'll have another very good run this first quarter and this year. Shout out kay Heidi. Thank you very much, Coach. Umabol ka, hindi kita nakita kanina. Thank you very much sa kape. Sinend mo galing Australia. Sobrang sarap. This has been your host, You're Delicious. Stay delicious, guys. Bye.